Let's talk about distinct, count and sorted method of stream. Okay, so distinct, what it does, it will just get the unique values. Okay, count does just a count of all the elements, how many number of elements are present, and sorted is used to sort in ascending or descending order. So let's take an example. So let me take a list of integer elements. So let's take some 5, 3, 4, 7, 8. Let's have some repeated elements also, so that distinct we can test. And 4. Let me introduce a local variable. These are numbers. Now let's say let's create the stream of it. So numbers dot stream dot distinct, and on the distinct, since it is an intermediate operation, we need to call the terminal operation. So collector dot to list. So I just want to convert it into a list. Let me introduce a local variable. So press Alt Enter. It will give a local variable distinct numbers. All right, and then we can print them distinct numbers, and let us run this and see the result. So we can see there was a duplicacy of 4 which is not appearing in the result. So we can see all the distinct elements are printed. So this is about distinct. Let's see about the count operation. So our numbers, so this is the original list dot stream, and then we can call count, and this is basically a terminal operation because it is going to result a long. All right, now I can introduce a local variable long count. All right, now let's print this count. So basically we converted into a stream, but count is a terminal operation, so we don't need to call collect or something. Let's print this. So we can see there are 6 elements into the original list. So 2 to 4 to 6. That's correct. Let's see sorted. So we have numbers dot stream dot sorted, and on the sorted we need to call the collect, and then let's store into a list. Put semicolon, introduce a local variable with Alt Enter, and these are the sorted numbers. Let's print them, sorted numbers. Let me save and run it. So we can see the elements are sorted. Now we had a duplicate, so they doesn't matter for them, order doesn't matter. So we have the elements in the sorted order. Now there is a custom sorting also, that we are going to talk in a next video, and also how do we make the element in the descending sorted order, right? So ascending order is this, which is also called as natural sorting. In descending order we'll talk in the next video. Also we'll see custom sorting, right?